too much ashafo mema obibia akwaba ede ebaga no wahala dwumadie eso na abusuafo enne daye ensema ababeto yapno eso ede esewani ensese ye ka ede echowo said de ade daye mpenifo ka na se yimim se bibia ebekoso ewo hu enkan so na chese wo hu ansa na epie na abusua eye no kwepa eye enkofo hwease enkofo hawa wo ekumu ewo atiasefo asasi esondodo nanu esi ewo fam ansa na adan ne hu edi na ene danyuntuni achese wo ye gospel musician ni mutuni keke wo ye gospel musician ya kasa ya papa ye nua bema Ernest Opoku ebusiofo ehonsema ababeto abonti etrema ensema ebobo ba ye efa ne ho ne masam ne ehonpro ne ba chese ema bebre be kasa efa ne ho ekire se de wotie ne chese de ye niguase edema ye nua be ma ye anaye papa ye adese sei wo sheda entene ne nso enkane na nkane nom ena ewo so enkane na se ne nyom de wotia awosin etimi egum ene de abaya nidin Ed Chantal, Baba Bekasa, Ede Afa, Yan Papa yi Elwa, they said, dear, a quasso no Ebusia as a winnie, and says, say, can't Ed Echon, Kwong, and this Manu Kono, so be about Bekasa, Ed Afon for 2024, about on the said, dear, Ebesi, Aponum. Now, no any Simbebre, and then the Mabon Beda, Mede Eba, a Yamepuno also, near Babachino Sre, and ne Abasana, and some no Emuno, make one to me, and Snapper Benus. Emia enati ko wenso so enko ejina enti mato inside ya friend ya pasaya papa so openi odifo prophet Bernard Esther the Holy Ghost and Fire Prayer Ministry announce what make kan when I said there enkomo no ebeko no nso no na dwentwa efa hu wontimi efa entudwa emaye ntiabusafo kan when na emaye papa akwaba na ye ba ye nkonkoshe eye video no nso enka eye ehu prophet me mo akwaba
Jesus
Bibia boko die.
I'm ya Roma ya holding pa.
Ye the Christmas ye share ya chedie. Ye share ya cheba.
Ya programs in the doors.
Kure ye share with the na chese na de be fire. Said ye wow. Uni mu na ene de Chantal ababontin de nzembi ababetu eja e de afaya ntuni Ernest Opoku e wona nense no abusuafo moma yenkokotie emfa emfri Chantal o embrane eba ye nje ye prophet adwentre no emfa ho
afi o kan die bi kire me fa na mo under the kingdom no nyotofo mienu bia na mo to gospel
pachan
na o se mo mpe omonumati
ona yempe onumati yempe omokra numati
so ba me bema ba ko no omo yetu ma me bema no fa bema ne di kan ma me enti for weni wo sa nyumtuni we ya ka tell se onyere ne ho se wahwe ma mebusa se die benti na nyumtuni no wahwe ana say ne ho ase baba fa bema no to so ba me enti for weni nyumtuni ya ba bia wonim ni bia no se ne message we ka tell se bibia ba na onyina yi a onyina yi se waye bibi ama ma ne dia ba foma ye de sa nyumtuni ni picture to screen so Chantal e ba be kana asem usi under the sea na mo mpani numati
oh mpani numati
adenti
what's on num to no like so powerful and like obi on ma num to ono di kan bomb prayer from 12 to 4 and sana ono was started to num on every present dey be bomb prayer na num so no genuine
tina mo mpe
oh yeah mpe
and say esi eti for the picture ne dey baba to so fra sanu tini no unim na nyasa penema me sa ukofo we nyina na ese Kenya omu ye papa na mahwiase no so ahwiase mpo a ye kante se binia we na Yakobɔ de wo ye na wakofom sorry
because ye person ne mungu ase so that like ye person ya number join sa nkofo no
tira mu gu na ni ase me ba to no tuni ni ne wei
patran
we dey say that 10 years ago the whole Ghana obeti din na me nyumba bia minimum power crofrom enti when you na muti wase wa enti for na way great revolution ya de ma Ghana man se wonu ntuni we ya ye be ka no wasema frɛ ne ka kyerɛ no sɛ sɛ bia bibi na akyea ana bibi na ayɛ bibia ɔnsa ɛmgbel na akyi bio but ɔbɛfa ne din gu screen so sɛ bɛyɛ a obi join ne Facebook no bɛhu ne din ɛdi bɛntia
o say like empese ni nom no like nakopon be fa no so ama obegye akra ama nkofo enti empese no num ngu asenti e de embasem anase be fra yankasa yankofo aba be atake no
enti de to no nyina mo na mo suma
ya na esuma so that now like nunum to no abrase man mpegye biom
Ewade hu ni mamobo busa ko ewade hu ni mamobo eti what to dum na kasanya mumpe
yempe
ana mo calculate because abrante we busa ko na mo entertainment be 3 years ago the wase be ba krumu ha gune omu gune ni mase
enti abale sanu bonsa na afere wa paaba obeka senti na nkopon kra then like then amaya obema enum gwasewe eto me so that na ontimi ensam bab today to say the way ya
you say ontimi mabie
to say the way ya na first or ye no eno a eye omo na ma hwehwe sa so that nenim megu ase
etini nimu no but wo johnny ye no unim na send message e ka kire no bo sa ko be yini nyum ba ko ma memmo be yini nyum ba ko e ma memmo so nu se get me his number se we want to call him me de ka me send say ade bia waya atuni bia no e mane mpa ba
on sorry na lankopon ka no ho
yes etimu na mo calculate se mo be gu nanim ase
patron
se be ya ne nyum no be
ja krama no ntu
etina oto a epona se no mu esiwade na esi
like esi a eja omumienu no esi a eja part mi to hono
sa do fo no mienu no
patron
ye do ba ne so ba
patron
etefo mu yo ba ne bema enche do ba ne ba eti me ba to ba mo fie no nyuntuni na ye ka no asem ye fe no Ernest Opoku obi ni Ernest Opoku a se wo ben na afa me na mama ne se contest me ye be hia ne show no so nyame ya do mama de ombra ha ade bia free ne mu bia Ernest ye do enum na kosi sei nyame sa de beba
patron
eti mu no mo mpa de pa wo nyame mu
o za me ka so no ma de pa de lalai amompe
eti mo try ade ema because papa we was some ba 2 years 3 years ago so no ba we ne dia some to no so why say ehwa ne bre na se adai
because I say uba be je nkofo mba
there be they say all the nkofo ma de mompe
enti anka se bia wo ye num form o mo ba
ma mo nkofo de mba
o mo to a onu kra ye to kra onu kra na ye den
enti mo nkofo de na mopɛ enti de etu nyame ma de mompe
de
Ernest Opoku to onyame din ni wo ade nyina so
because nankopon be tu ni e wo bibia so enti empe yesu ye pese yansu ye ndi hene e wo ne mana
ya yesu ewudi yini wo ne ma nyina so mede ami nkoka ma no aduro mede ami nkɔhyɛ me wa konfo yesu ewudi yini wo ade nyina so eno de mompe
de
mama no nyumba ko se ahwanyum we na mo se do mo bone dia to abranti nsu kwa evi so on koye mo okoto no matantan ni bi
saya no bra ye ho no
mo be se mo twene ba mo kam ana so ma
aso mba
na abusuafo say na ensem no ekoye mama kwakote edi free shanto enum na de say abusua enum a ekoso ewo ye hunhum afam anase hunhum wiase no enum ekoso pa eye na se de medi kan eka ye no odifo ewo ahase na odifo shanto ensem a odi etu edwade afa ye papa Ernest Opoku ewu they are waiting me akada from because me say there was simple women
me da wase sika ma me share too much with tifo echichiri ni benche ye ne omamu ni nyina be Ernest Opoku bia me ka chene se on shedding na oma empire bodu na enkoso on se so be kumasi ya na bibiri na ntudu mewate eye kakra bi na omo to glorify Nyankopon bibiri na na maboso so bibiri na so kopoase the amount for bibiri na ye target the more ma bimbie mu in the marine kingdom The one say, say, we are vibrant. Now, Wakuma, a will radio. Why do you unsushi? Why did be a we be and we to glorify Alpha and Omega? We are target at the map was
Okay.
Maybe no crabbing in bottom.
Okay.
In essence, me I'm a very target Emma for bar because we may chiwa any baby any possible.
Okay.
And I should be a member you program will be out. Send Panu, young fan children. And I sound so much that time. Young will quite so fun once a what you say? And I make country and a supuku. May I didn't kukuba. I didn't kukuba no the station and the kukuba no the cotton now me type picture present and say only very careful.
Okay.
Any part one on you junior or tenant program no so we ought to know. A year and the person things and food you only very careful. I was sad panel, but I'm boycott to himself.
Okay.
Once I didn't tell one says here about into the demonic realm, about into the full spiritual realm, and it's a being one idea in. Once I didn't tell a idea a very dangerous. The Lujina on the scale of here to the Mama Alpha and Omega, a crown crab and the whole empire. One said, obey for now people are Sibana or Cassette, or you're very prayerful, and the tongue should on the tongue should be a ocan, and your tongues are a free or so. Miss all captors need to so make out or tongues and have been 4 tongues. And I have was 4 tongues. It is so being one, in part a being a Kumina to man Alpha. And I say, and no, oh my God, and say, we be to glorify young Kuma, and you was a best from north, south, east, and we have set the amount. And you are Gina Montetia, we are type, we are target. We will be a usually shop or best form. When I was so young, she shall be a yes, amount for my gun. Shall be this amount for as you and the Sopoku Sama Taxi up to John Bar. And the Sopoku a year and inauguration, the worship, new people were doing of Sicilama for your friend is Sopoku. Once the Bible say, maybe whom may woman be any dancing young Kumoma. And this is only a third one be a contrary to your temper. Only Satan to me. She see a break here, Mr. Poku, a break is the mouth, and a mind gun. Security at least to our on the scale of 100%, 90% are witches.
Hey.
Ghana, 90% of Christians in Ghana are witches. I pay one.
Oh, you for them in our casa.
Message, maybe Koya show you a show you. Your bompire, my brother, pipe for show. Oh, my God, but sustaining was so that I'm so moving. Say you will not pay for 10 and it's Abia.
Okay.
What does it? One more year, catch the elder. That was a CS church. One more catch the elder. They said, one more woman, some woman, my who be umpire. Yeah, pet and I am one me a Jumana say and Cosso. Yeah, they are not keke, and they can see your prayer warriors. Okay. Your bomb pie. And now the Pentecost as a Musa Mukoye program and Yasan to talk. Me, the Pentecost 14, you almost start on your man. And this year's before. Me, we. A bomb pie. Prayer warriors soon. And young to Fuancas. Me see. And it's all just sound of my mother when you sound diabolic comings and then woman's moving ration. Okay. What you say? And one form on March Street, one working underground. Say a sudden moon papa, who maybe I didn't talk about where Tim were coming. Yeah, my cry. And no so said the Emia Bay, what I say, almost share and almost a ban with me. I could get Tiam. Once an identity, and you show weakness. Nearly a pin for. And one would can assure my parents every structure when you make and some about you with a yaba. See about the tackle, and see a target free. I show you a room. Okay. One member monitoring devices are a yaba for, and member someone was in best for it. What's an identity? And a man tell what I would say. Baby out there, and sure woman, and sound woman. Once an identity, it's a whole total package. And make catch the vibrant ministers in the worship team say, "Oh, we're very careful." Once by phone cannot say, "Or to you ma, a brother to be passive was it." Okay, so you papa bia. Say, "Who would that mandate spirit now? The spirit of official I did a who took my radia coma." And the Bible say, "Raditi yamintem buaten." na ɔde aprada ɛyɛ ɔfɛso a ɔte so sɛ ɛtutu ma no na kuma bubu a na bubu ni sitɛnda because ɔnaduane a wɔdi yɛ ɛnum to ɛwurade n'aduane a wɔdi yɛ ɛnum to eti the moment a wɔde ho bɛsi scale no sɛ mɛ totom ama alpha deɛ wɔsa tew ho ɔba mpa bɔ ɛyɛ wɔ duane ɛnɛ Ghana nomtofoɔ nkwasi asɛm nko a Ghana nomtofoɔ nkwasi asɛm nko a ɔba bɛtu mu ɔno obi akɔ akɔda ansa na ɔba bɛgyina nyame ɔɔta so ɔba bɛtu wakɔ akɔfe n'afe mu bi ɛna ɔbɛgyina nyame ɔɔta so kɔnkɔnsɛni so ate aseɛ abrabɔ basabasa adwamansa ne korɔ no ɛne nneɛma fii ayerɛ ne anyamɔ ho bebree ɔnsa de nkyɛn enti sɛ wode saa soma bɛgyina ɔɔta so because of war voice no na war and be won utimi ye artists ni skills bi and just so you ntuni o on say na dey tell wo dey we sigama for the dressing
dressing na semi
be and so poku dressing very simple very neat o hu say ye din kapo ye gugugu akwa ne nsa ne nan ba hweni nya mo maka
Odifo ye tie mi aba na ensemo ase de woka na ye hwa na chese ye papa Ernest Opoku obompa ye obi obompa ye erukwa ponti no wo mompe eya ni nyumeti bai wo mo ankasa wo mo e de chese wo mo support chese sese no ni nkasa ye no mepese mi mu sem obi wo hono ma obetumi atu nyamnyom ba na enye se wo free nyame oye adwuma ma marine spirit ebi wo hono mo sa
bebree ɛno ne yɛfrɛ no sɛ wɔ spirit of discernment abɛhu ɛyɛ ayɛ tete bi ho ne yɛhɔ a metumi sere saa obi wɔto dwom na demons ɛne nanam ne ho na ɔmu di asa ɔse akyerɛkyerɛ wɔn ankasa nso tumi ma wo tɔn so abɛka woka tɔn so a ɛyɛ invocation bi ma saa demons ne sɛ wɔn bɛba wobɛnso wobɛtumi ato dwom aka tɔn so bi odi mo mo ton so me pese me kan ton so bia ha obi akwa ka se ma bo ne nsem so once na de no ka ton so ni won I so powerful but asa won wo be bi o control no nyoma efiba enju die se nka wo enju ni kura da wo kura de very powerful than even a prophet because obi o to ma nya mechi men eti bi so de be ni pa o to mu a se wo ye prophet wo nye mpa bobofo na wo sa to be dear one and advise as a serious prophet. What you say? But all you to me, what's on ye? No, you are to do my say a prayer piece one as I'm good one. Now, this man was Obama, and I won't say I need to for baby now, pet to Cassie. And I know about good better social media, so tough, the year I see.
Hey, what if I
may come on some one no one would to do my alpha. Emma, ye wɔsɛ me de tafre me ya yase wodi a biemu wo hwem kwa tu se wo to duma alpha
odi for assemble na okay
nokre me ka
sanka na ye ne renka no dia nka fa
da bio ye nya ho se bi asefo what ya say wo se na de ntem wɔse wano me oja so tete no so Proverbs what ya say any Psalms 8:2-3 wɔse bi oja ana me de ho so tete no so ana ɔde tafo ba ya ase entu ba to na de ne beba
okay that is no problem edum muda
sa marine kingdom no mo se sa no ma wi na edura nyame ma ene me ka se takre bi mo tudu ma radu mpo no pe so mo wi awo won se na ene o hwe ya so de ma no tufo wo ne o kind of blessings ni se do mo ye bi o mo ye hu o ba be gina altar no make up sa wa ye wo sho ba nkura hwe ya papa ye ntade ye mu ye tumu ni ya hwini and ye praise ye nyina da ho we kire se to do alpha etu nyam pon ni pa na wo so ana se wo die wa se program na wo so e wo so wo de say we oba na life no ba be bo e ye ne keke no wo de ba be na obe pass through once na de tell
Odifo we dey yebra ye papa Ernest su esan ebi mu ono kwampo asofo bi no manu to for won mo ye nyame adwuma no on say motate anase mudi eyedwuma na mudi muhu nyina ewrem according to say the enua bashan so work say o chese na enua ma wo ye bibia ye say o nyame enkwan na o ye ade no ede ema na enunti no wunim se wugina hono as a figure na se nyame na muti na ye dia wunim se akode ebeba wo so no me be se me say akode ne eba ya na nyame on prompt mu ana won dead bi edi mamu
unse me da wase se akode ne ba wo ye prayer warrior ana wo bi a watu mu so ma empire ne akonchira wankasa njo bedan ne sometimes wan kasa or the wan kasa wo pedua ebia ukwa akoya de no wo ni pedua aya atenka bi apini se ebia makoa ebia yumtuni we ne beba wata si ebi wo a edom no de akasa ase no ba se wo discernment spirit e na be hu we na so ye mpa bobofo a empa no mo be sikwan wata si e na ma menchire some of the signs of first in nyan eni pan sabonchi as a minister of God what you want yi
so mo da mo kwa no ko tunum show we ne wo mo hagen ko mo chian ko fo ne be so pa
very demonic eni pan sabonchi after why administration oh yema obiafo ya dia
okay
what you say eni bi eni pa hagen eni no mo de faso obetima sumo mu pa ba obedresi decent but ubonso betima chi obe hagu bi na bibia pro o timi se wedie eno mu faso o ton no so wura na go ma start dia akode ne pian
na odi for said ya wo kan say no obi a we nyamia na mutini a wo ye hye na mo de e ba ne say na obi nsam chia na senka say nipa na nya ya wo be chia na kra wo se hunhu ana say like unya feeling bi hu say we dey say na wo njai
eno dey free discernment spirit no
na eno obi a na wa
dey bi se we obi a watu mu esi o ma body a country what you see enu ni radi ma e na obisa otimi de ma but enu chi fi oh e chi fi ni tan de body ni ya san ni ma ni no enti the moment a watu mu esi o for san ni ma ni ma nya obema sa honhom se bia wo program ku a so fo bebre bo friend program obi kwa chi di ma chem e na bi wo ma me so bo mpa radi kan he na ma ka to ma block na me come back once na dey chem eye bebre se wo sa honhom a ye be encounter sia na fi ya chichira mane ya to so onu oba bia ko ese onu ya ko ese onu ya ko ba na enye wa chenkam because ya wrong home ne ya sam enya mo sa monitoring device be bia ko ya bon se etimi sumo ba se o meye o meboa on so ni me ba ko ya monitor yi
okay
eti we are in also very prayerful we need down e ma konche to that to mucho na ko yi wait e twen rade what's na dey chen enti eyeni ma bibli
na obi a wakwa ye ntimi waye obi a chese wo ye sofo ana se wo ye nyameduma e promote nyame na se attack bi say eba eye wo so na ebre wasia e kwan ba nsu biem na wo betimi anam so asa ama wo hu ne su ebi
Bible say en Kenyan revival spirit e wo de man se unu hu ode wo se Bible so ko fo do benya ho ba na ye boni bi ana sa di bia ina ma ekwan ba beda ya ho e no be gura sa kwan ye nya enti bia wonya sa konya ne die gura no atofom Bible so bi so ni be hwe ase branch be so ni branch se be tishumu a Yehowa na me ha se be hwe ase a the time for mo wani because me san so ni and the Bible kawo Isaiah 62 verse 1 to so na se na wo han area enti wo bia hwe ase ye na e o se be de be wi ye ni dia e no wi ya nso no o program ya ye program o mo hwe
because they tell me put I want say ye share your papa Ernesto Poku da wo ye nim tuni kase a waje edi na ye share say de mguase yi ba ye free na ya so ye bro no what TV ye radio station like ye na yakayaka de say no mguase na aba ewe ebia osaba out ebe obaba batuni ma obeka say oh ni ba so si ye ntie ni new game say ebe no bi ntie abaya shanto ne nsamo ya baba tu ibe no dwelling in the past the econ eti ano na mpesi mi hu say apart from say unya eya arrechition na say nsam every bible emu eno no what the society will say yankofo beka ede afa wo ho no anase de wo hu say yankofo ka fa wo ho epen e wo se wo nyina so enu ntino unnya nyamduma biem anase enu ntino ndi kwan say ade a wo ya nanka e ma wo akasa wo krakra to ne ye ndi kwan say wo ye biem ana
ndi kwan say ene ye di pansem so
okay
what you say okay kind Mark chapter 7 verse 50 16 ba a year o say ye gina wonu nsam so ye di bu ye gina wonu so ye di bu fo se wuti atsem a e ma wo nko wani hwese ye ma me sisi ma fu de to what you say wuti atsem a Oya so nipa be 3,000 ti kwa so. Ere 120 bomu. Enam de ba ye di se ye di maame atem egu maame ni mu ase. Obi akuta nyame mu bia ni se de maame ye ifre rade. Emre be hu se nyame nkrofo bi ebe pass through Ghana. E wo se ke support on. Ebi mu na ka echi. Wo se we bia as revelations eba. E na wo mu kwa wo ye wa so wo mu ye botai. Wo mu ye target. Yentwe ma nkodu nkonkon so wa ma nipa ni aba no so.
Because in your bay work or send what chat the menyame enu entia.
Onipa bi a oye Bible na twa aka menyame. Wona wo se 5-4 minutes you know. Baka. And the Romans chapter 12 verse number 1 any ban or kind. Aduma chedi ni na ho nkonkon de maba. To be powerful be yes be yedi. Rade be na so atwedom ma no ho a. E ya konchi empire bo ani na ho ahotie. Answer that people program kwa. Sin go wudom. Because program to be a drive for 7 days. If you are dry 3 days, we don't want some sound to Holy Ghost temple up to 45 more. About the women, say number 1 target my baby. Because it's not a dumb baby. Once not anything, and I be me a target to the man for. Because it's no any woman who should tackle. It will be a very vigilant power. Say, me need a high boss here, me need a sugar, never made my said. Once not anything, don't call ye be. Nobody be young once no. Me said there be new them one waiting. Me new waiting and program as and one.
For yen shadio one say you say no to for a ban or man mill side now. I had the only pay or bewary into any was who or bar. One no bet me at now because yen are baying some more connected to which in our bar sooner to one day brand at it. The name was said by a man a baby can a year and some. So for yen to me now wo ba aba warrior. And no normal bed was a one chef and for ban once and one was about Bobo and now one point.
Unse me say ye ya bebi na efrem se da bu se rade maye.
Okay.
And ye wo kwan bebi ye fa so bu se rade.
Because also no bia na me said they walking the quite best no be fa so obehunu say nipa so me wo ye ma me na wo ye ma wo ye me down for na say wo ye me down for.
Yeah, enu nti na we mu nti ye wo adifo.
Okay.
Ye wo apostles, ye wo pastors wo yes. Wo hie nipa wo ne nko dance because wo mu na peso. What you say Bible say boni nyina sase adwaman. Enedi entunya koye pe erado si me tie adwaman what you say adwaman mo eye nsem bebre entunya ma nso na koye pe won take with what you say eye nsem bebre entu wo mu se e bia wa so aye branso e na majority of ladies omo so bebre na ya baifo
asemi wasabo
me nsuro na me ka wo bebre na ya baifo ya mom yi yesirim yi lufu ye penti ye dini patem ye wei. But majority of the slave queens on social media, majority of a man be bring na ya before. And I say that will be a percent of baby is cow. Baby, I will feel bad in the assassin, and yes, how animal. What's all partner running a bee way, and as or really that should be the chill. Now, baby, I won't anymore. Open partner to one pie. So one come to feel by them one so a baby. Once in addition, and to one pioneer revealing the mama, no upper prophet here or yes. No according to Ebusa. Ezekiel 14 verse 1 about. Also committee for Ebusa. And to corner Busa na a confirm the other soon. No one said baby are going the right path. Oh, and a baby na the Samuel baby never be any was and yen is super one. The brain one. The brain na wakasa, which them now children, oh yeah, to my radian, so yet my radi. Young folks now from Shawudi. Once na dini nyina kwakusi
odi for we na ye papa na ye nua bema no sokuku die no esi di na beka e dia kire no sebe na wo beka e de ama no say obetimi asori asan aba e wo ni ntumu ebiemu fa arachiche sembi e ma na ye mfiri won ye nko de eto aso
papa no sokuku so tie mi ahobrasi jack mampaye eto de bia free asori kura wo free mantam wo edumba na wo ye Holy Ghost temple na wo bia be na opa ye de kosawo emo bi kura mu se nko wechi ene yisa mo ni tiro mo ti di monitor bibiri kona ko bi nko pa de chawo di mu adade na mo woni mu na ho so ni bibiri mu na saye mu ene rade betimi atew ni ma kire na enuma bebree ja enuma bebree mpaebɔ no a ahotie no a ndaho no a etima hyerɛw abrɛ ni abrɛ nyinaa mu wobɛma w'ani aba ho so na afei adeɛ bi a bɛtu sintidua bi abɛtwe ho afiri ho na Yesu Kristo bɛtiw n'anim akyerɛ bebree tima hyerɛ ɛkɔm anwontofoɔ bebree na ɔmo nso woto dwom no mɛhyerɛ sɛ wode ahoteɛ wode nyamesuo de mpaebɔ woto dwom no nkyerɛ sɛ ɔmɔ mpae o ɛna na meka sɛ ntwini bi ɔfrɛ mu too much woto dwom no nkyerɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ bi ayɛ prayerfo ɔwɔ so ɔbɔ mpae koraa kyɛn bi a ɔno lead prayers ma no watɔ baba
Jo na odifo we dey free ye nua bema na ye papa Ernest Opoku eso no na na ye de ko ye nua bema wono so ye papa ye Kumawood actor papa bontin de ensem bi abatu edwa de afa ye 2024 abato no said ye bekono no na ye nua bema ya na ye papa ni din dubro na din no Michael Afane and so Ojina on the ticket of NDC. Na nesemo di to your notice wo chima 2024 about no pa e na say be fireworks. Police station on besha kan bibia enko Supreme Court. Nya de say ebeko Supreme Court na nesemo di to dwa no menkenkan ebi na ye so fa wadwen kire to edwaman. Also we are vigilant and we will continue to be vigilant till NDC when December 7, 2024 general election. We will make sure Ghanaians choose as a president from free and fair election. Flawed election has become a thing of the past because the Supreme Court's ruling has forced us to learn from our mistakes. All disagreements will be settled at the polling station. As a former president, John Dramani Mahama said, we the members of NDC don't agree with the Supreme Court's ruling, but we have respect the ruling. I was shocked after other Supreme Court ruled against NDC election petition, but we have no right to challenge the verdict of the judges of the Supreme Court. Electoral Commission boss Jane Mensa shouldn't think NDC will repeat the mistake we did during the 2020 election. NDC is vigilant and ready for 2024 election. We will never allow ourselves to be intimidated by the NDC members like how NDC members were intimidated at the polling station during 2020 election. NDC won 2020 election, but EC Jane Mensa decided to reward the president Akufo-Addo and the MPP with victory because she was appointed by the president. That mistake will never happen again in 2024. Mark my words, it will be fireworks. We ending someone to a year. Now just watch him and just 2024 about one day in Jan. Say bibia na obi antia polling station na ekwo. Now one winning say den yanka asundue kwanto na say bibia mu de enka ye mra na ye adwuma. Na say ya wode nsem no aba na ade hu ene ayam hihie bi aba beto Ghana for so say one shot 2024 abato no mu de hwego ebedo so ntokwa ebesi. Ne nsem ya wo kan ye oye wete se wo kasa na de wo kan so ebetimi asi ama.
Me da wa se sika me ka se bibia ne wo bisi. Empanimfo se ankore hunu na ye.
Eyedire.
Ankore hunu. Me of MPP ni edi me trust bia. So ati ase. We wi ya de yonko na we wi ya yonko. So ati ase. Eje di kwa asu mesi na nya bia ya bo benten. On se na de ne tie. Eje me me ka se the trend that the UTF are very careful. Ono minister na se MP and as a politician, or one can have selfish own interest, and as a human be a all yet, Tio, and you be a all yet, or no, the quack penny post or Mao, or Hiani, or Shigani, be a woman baby, about the children time, about two quackaboni a day. Now, or chip or not buy, and this recruits enjoy. One said that living in Adam, or no, now who be a open. But no than the VH will make us by better movie. Yan show my God the pipe of wood. And you 20 million on the command.
Every crop for movie, you need to 4.
Once I did it. Now make us and in Pano make us you and national should mean.
Okay.
What you say? Any panic and national should mean. Now me everybody and me so up idea number. Wow, so only interest you a good more. And as you promise to say to be here, don't go away. Maybe your grand for my or crabby.
Hey,
young call a spade a spade. minya na nkomo ma power kra bi woman minya abato na bi om kra ho ye ade bi fun kwase afobia ye sha nkom de ta omoto enipa meni na etu nika so bi ntie minya so masime bi what you say asobo bi sa se ye fiti jam
na wa rene
take you by surprise na MPP nso aye ni hu na no ye what you say you hu na do me se no stabilize you ma person mo peke you ma you hu na do ma ye it is ya so na ba ko wi ya onti ase ko na ko se boy me believe any politician me no mo kwanya nyanan I don't trust any one of them from Benken to Kanka no be any because omo tim yeshu what I say omo tim yeshu omo pe omo de but about what ye ya no say what me about say entokosi na say kra minister no kofro you play me a presidential jet only the minister ko tete na ye beka no wa ye des in kantani tuo ni bia ba so a oba bejo o tuo no hwem so asiafo
na je say
eti etuba bi ya sika e wo so mega ni hie answer wo mo ba masa mo fo nsam funfuri ye so ye hu ye mo ye mo service or interest ye mfi mu kura ye kasa sa akere mo mo nebe mo so you cannot take Ghanaians for granted aden Ghana ya mo ya sika Ghana NDC for dia ana Ghana MPP for dia amu your man na come about be diakro ye beto be di omo ye omo mu bodia omo mu bonsuom omo mu ye we nyina frimfa na ko siema ye ma adwinu ko developing the country what you say Ghana your heart ko dia so nka MPP na nisi ba ko nyan kamu na matena sa mo so do man Ghana oh ye be hyew mo fo ma adwumre mfa adwum ye to mu man no ni mo so odo wo nkam
na odi for say de omo etu eye edan e wo nyome bi mu a e dia say MPs wo mu wo parliament nti e dia ye je wo mu na both MPP NDC agency nti na je say wo mu na ebu o man na wo hu ni sam
me bia me hu ni sa e wo set campaign for set a good example
okay
for the youth a wo mu ba once na dey tell oh ye ko opportunity ye win oh NDC for body for my chance what you say e bia bibi na nko yi a mu take heart e bi o chini bi be ko yi am ye gu o man ti ye bibi na se enko yi a bi o twa so nim se de tia e bia o gere ti wo mu se ba bia o no kavi a no ma tene no enye kasantwe ne didi atam ni ehu se mpanimfo no se mu bo pan bi ato na se mu ja ensa na ho bi ama enchi ma ne ehu se bo bosa pa bi ato ama na wo ko tutu ye bo MP ni so na e bi dia yi macho tata eno chese Ghana da makoma so kire se won kasa mo selfish reasons bi edi bo furu ne mo nyema da mo ba beginti na nka mo si Ghana mo ba be si Ghana eye atendidi eye kasa bi eye ni kwase e we nyina frimfa aji so man Ghana mo a
na odi for ya ebra ya papa Michael Afrani dey say we betu jan dodo na kase ntwe say o kasa ense no because ebetimi ama no na ma emabru no de wo mu ewura sa enwoma no emu say ye hwe ne nse ma wo kan ya eti say you tufu say wo pa na wutie wo pa wuntie eti eba ne say obi asem o bebeka ye emabru no ye fa to ye ho say enwunti de obi akenti ye 2024 ye kwakotwe eye nse kan ye kwakotwe eye ejan
unse kasa mu
okay
what you say na o man Ghana ye penkwase asem what you say o man Ghana ye penkwase asem too much enka odie uti wona wo yire wo ma na obenti be ka cho say ko police station na ko fa ballot box na for Ghana wo ba wo ye kona ko tutu fa wo bo nya ten wo ba ye ye ka say o man Ghana ye krisoso we nyina na che say o man Ghana ye krisoso abata ye tuye hwese de amanfo ye ayi che say yo what you say isi monte so we ka ne enuma bi a ensem fa ema soja for the police for ti ongu kurom once na dey tell so man dey kill so man there will be peace okay what you say me dwino ho so dwine me ho once na dey nyina akwakoye enti ni nyina nke pa dey man Ghana be sia konkon What's I say? Your Magana coin, or my gun envelope Mubedia. Now more Muya upcoming, Muya stars movie at you. Now Cassia. Oh, Cassia. Ogina Santi Belmake. Kobe ya airport to also be. What to be my boss and maybe Jachi from Kumasi Jachi from.
Okay.
And ya best na crown young quality, about 25 years because of your 20. Also, but or Canadian Casasa or Canada and Casasa. Say 2024 na say you was in Yaman so banswe. Also, I didn't say you were in Yaman banswe. What baby I didn't even free. And you only power who dear akwa to trust him carry any sound man you money now. One say and the movie stars be bring chadom.
Okay.
They bring followers. It is up for you to say ube kan someone say enye someone enfra.
Okay.
Say be man panu kwa o show ujim ami ataweye. Na dwum do. Nti me koso nti me tie ne tuonsem. What I say? Now cast 2024 and kwa mayeya. Na si Yesu be nso. Anase si Yesu amba ne kwa na BBC a ni etwe ko so ba ko kan se.
Ko kan se no na asem bi sa obi ebusa se Ghana ha no ye sori a obi ka bibi editi ama mpanyin anase yi dia ye twe se nipa no ekokot se an kokoko yi no wan ba ne se obi speak about violence ya ye nkahwe emfa eye ehu ne nsem a wakan ehu ya se mpanifo emfre no na won toto na no an.
Oh well say the police headquarters agency omo friend immediately because you timi metina social media so na continue TV bi so bambofo police bambofo mpanimfo ehwehwe peace and unity ebe stabilize Ghana mu wo dey want to say ompene for them onkwa na be chichire Ghana ana wo nkwa nti Ghana mo ana ena mpanimfo so hwem won sa dey che godu a wo mo nkasa wo mo hwem wo monitor what you say wo dey ye wo ya kodu ne atubu a wo na bo say yes o ga be ye bro baby.
And now, person who say, yes, say your platform, my yanny, and ma and go for quite my one a casano, and simply one more, a 9 wunya, say your busa will be and some a farm one, because yan some more the ever to a day. Once say a shop politicians, no MPs now, one papa was not TV, so now or Cassadian, young walk Cassadi, say, and no, and ama, they say a milk no any youth no. And so suya different one because MPB partner TV station so no we man pay na we twem kwon atem and one you say na ba ko so aba and am take say tia ni ma be you know so aba be ka say tia ono so de enti sa platform aye makwan emen nkofo enkasa ewo ho ehunhia say dane da ye interview nkofo for such insem bi ehun say yana
unse eya bebiri na gina say bi wo media mu wow and TV presenters ni radio presenters no woni mse ni ba ne kakasa emfra edin to kabeba edi amane ni oyi ni be boga no entempa no gina tuso what you say no what no e was a program no say untimi me tututu me ti fu aso what you say na nipa domo a no untimi me kakasa bia emfra na ebda police wonu soja ko ahwese diye edi peri be bo manga na ba be sam kenyan chaos bio basa ye bio there be oman wo yesi o say a Christian country ya mo ma ye hu Christian Christo somo esu e wo mo kasa oni pedum
okay
what you say ade tira be du man bani atem anasa de tira be minister atem anasa be di wo mo kika kan mo atem en tira obu ba so yo be di pedum atem wo be twa no nkwana so once na the chen enti wo pani na bani show bu yen ka sentia ye ho yen fa to kwa ma yen tete asumdue what you say ya maintain peace for so many years na nye na enkofu ba be kan ma bom ama to kwasi nyamia da bi
na odi for we dey yen hwa aya ade e wa ha se ye hwa yen papa yi mensem a said obebe kan ensem we ade atu dwe ya akwa ye say Ghana democracy ka bi ma mi ka bi amamu na yedi ebu no dodo na susu say eno ene ma sa nneoma we ekoso na say ye go back etu ye papa wanya ne baby ko nya memfa kra ensi Jerry John Rollins ye na amamu a wo ba ye sa military rule na anka enumum ebeboa wo ne sen wa ko ye nya mini wa hu said ye hu military for said o mu ra etie na ye democracy so said ye etie wo de etutu ho a wo de ye mfato ho a de na wo susu say eboa ema oman etimi etumpa na oman etimi eye ingushe
meka ne se unse soja mamu ube
okay
what you see and the other day what you see and na unse se soja ni di oman so me fo bi nkeye
okay
the Jamaica say ye say woman obey before complain perfect eni nyame asem krakọ obey before complain what you see and na over the other Democrat nso a omo so mo masese eboa but enka e ka se kanuma me ka bia enya temdidie eni ka se ntwi so ye tie na ka bi woni mu twitwi form na me di watam go form mo mpani form ba ntwema me ba be pamo me free studio ha what you say won't be better respected studio to say so another TV channel to say so e be ni party tun futu mu pen what you say and just say wa dwudo anase we will be a window form ukaka se ma akoma toyem e mani pa beja no mfiri meyem edidu mempempen so bi what you say edomu a na ehwe edomu a nso na ebe kasa afa enti important say the kabim ma kabi amamu e perfect but eno nche se be ni matem na me nso me gbatem udi matem na bia akoma so ya be ma fa de bia boti me kwa akodem na keba man kabi amamu akwaye be de ho but e perfect
okay
so what you say and the school man 16 years 18 years 20 years kwa no do man peniate and na me hwe TV station oba o man peni kwase aboa mse gbade e wo se o man peni odun nso odi atemane e o report yan ba be for the party question wow the ye ni pa be 10 bi to so a wo se to serve down what you say ubo wura so se ni won kan ko kan kwase asem eni admission won se na de ni tem ibe hu sa so me so be ti nyansa bushi tam o ni ti what you say and TV station be radio station nko asem ko a program ko mo ye ko ti se mfa mputu no man ga be bia
na ye de
ye
odi for we de nsem no edoso iti ye bebo ni nyina tewtew na de ye nkasa emfa ye video bi ababonten de afa counselor Lutro ye programmer Vicky Zuga onu so ye actress wode ehihye so ewo UTV a chese omo kasa de afa ye relationship ene aware se ye be ya nyoma ebetimi akokwan so wano de ama nipa ewo relationship mu ye waware ensemu how a wobetimi asoso wo yimu ama chese wotimi hu sa wo yire de aha ena ni feelings hye ukunu aha na ne so ne de hye ne chese wotimi edi mu agro fine na eno ena video na bebeto abontin no dodo na akasa de afa ehun ama ye nua bemma bia wono nso no na chese wo ye general manager de ma Ice TV ye papa Bishop dan obi ni TV na wono nso ye sa program no ma enkrofo ye NMC fo bebe kasa de fa homa ni program no wo shut down na se wo hu se program fofo so ekoso UTV a ene de na wo ye no the same thing wo entimi enkan no say ama libre abapa na ne nsem kan ye emu eno no ye ne betwetwe eye enkomo so aka ho na ansa na ye beje wadwentwa de afa ho no ye nkonko hwe eye video no efa eye counselor Lutrot ne eye abaya na tso wo gina TV station and as a live telecast so na ye susu ni mu a one shape yo to one go eye brand boku susu se bi na himfie da so a ye susu ni mu no na ye brand e ba ya bede eye prophet agentry susu e de afa ensem no
Yeah, what's say? Okay. What's a shot and you say? Yeah, to say that. Well, what's a sister? Oh, shall say. The 5 fingers in your head, you say. But the script in a way.
Oh, okay. Bring a
way. And the end of now, maybe I will stop a papa do how. Sana get debt.
Now I was here for say and time no live television although say na another program and do program at 11 p.m. and our year the program no I just said nyoma bi say so na odifo they say the baby our man yadro programs are show no TV so although say late program or the nanso so twa no kwan so no na betimi aka fa ho
me da was scabiu me ka say these are the TV we are a portray nudity.
Okay.
So what you see? A TV nyoma, a TV portray a Jamai. She a Roman Ghana, the Ababa Toja Mudie, and a master tafre. So what you see? Adibia, a picture of Ghana, a YouTube you see. Say you TV station, what you see, a quantity. Enka, Mamma Baba Sepukan, and when you pull shim. What you say, when you pull shim, come, and you say, Mammy. Adio babayi edi be bro man Ghana what you say emple go omo na
they say phone creative was so enkofo ti hwe
what you say e so ko program we hwe se ye papa yi eye de ne sa fa fa ma mi eja pa ye so emiemia ma mi ba bi no ba no so ne yi re tete o ba so de ne ho ba wo se de o ye ne ho so what you say e portrait twaman ni sa enwomanyoma no enkayi e de twayi
okay.
Oh, a TV station of your caliber, they also come with Tia. Say you be about TV station, we interview, radio super TV, they put you on the right track. Yama, I'm not a shoot program. You make a senka. Say you 1 year, then the DBN, the new one, baby. I was sent to Jimmy and Tia. What you say? And a minimum baby or coffee or barn and the buy. What's not in the tell? Baby, a coffee or barn, be made. Wow, and check maturity.
Okay.
Wow, simple penny crampo a TV station, a national TV station, and penny pony a teaching here. And I'm more a program, I didn't pay that you my Benny. What's another region? I collect you a crack, who was already a promo acting. Naka, your papa can't tell you to sell your soft or your soft or your team.
What's our reswaka?
Clerical a team, what you see? It's a baby.
Now, for said the American, no, Bema Sammy Rasta, and I say TP Clan, I know, general manager at the MI TV, as or DTN, net day, Wakasa at the Afa and Simi and won't appear no way, whom so, NTN, Nino and Cocoche, a year and common, no, so no, the Okafa and Simi, 1 and 2 a jack. Hello, Minia Bema.
Yeah, so far.
Bibi abako de
Nyame adom yan kwante bibi abako
mama wakwa banso e de about too much age eso
yo mesi meje musopa mechia one batifo nyina
okay na ensem ababeto abontin yi den na wo kan efa hu fa wanu disem atu edwa ema etie fa wo mu etie sabre
yo medase na I think say and some I so a year for UTV program a home video about Tontino as film say your woman we see mu and baby a drum a year National Media Commission for the TV stations in Miensa a betu gase said you mu ye in Funina and Senfata mu a TV so. Intino omunja yi ema yese mo TV station yese nyina echo NMC office na me kasem kakra bi si NMS National Media Commission office cause na me obi that time na me manage Ice TV yakoye no me yebusa me the reason why yi sa adult films no anajo no me chirichiri say sebi e content a empanyimfo enti na yi anajo 1 AM ɛna yɛn nso yɛwɔ satellite so a wobɛtumi ayɛ parental control ɛwɔ so a akwalaa kora ntumi nhwɛ gye sɛ wo ko a na ebi apɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ yɛkɔ keka na Tender TV nso eyi saa program a mu yɛ bi aba ɔmo deɛ wode no mu deɛ aborɔfo mfo nyini na yɛde ɛyɛ illustrate ɛkyerɛ nneɛma mo ka ho asɛm no nyinaa na NMC ni ɛkasa sɛ sɛbi yɛyɛ ɔmanfo a nyinaa yɛpɛ sɛ yɛboa ma ɔman no tumpɔn nti no ɛwɔ mu sɛ time a yɛyɛ program no ɛnka wo consider deɛ anka yɛ sɛ ɛyɛ anadwodeɛ but sɛbi wonnim abɔfra a ebi a wɔte TV no ho that time anaa problem cause nti no ɔmo ne nyina kasa ase yɛnyɛ yi na I quite remember sɛ we see yɛ no a desperate group of company and no UTV yes animal we would teach so nyina to no ku yes so can me I remember I did an interview where me interview they were all insulting me say they me pay money ye and at this time ye nima we say everyone name can send basa a programs that condemn ye nyina enti ade ha me ne say ye pese a sebi to me say the radio and TV station a bit so diana the big to me say omu pay diana because ye committee no me say question we say multimedia Adum TV na mama Zimbi program hoye no yi sa na ma we bi ya ante say NMC kan wasem da me ante say Mr. Annan Force ni James Obeko report to say ekuma mama Zimbi yi ni ma we say with TV so enye nante UTV starting and no movies, foreign movies are omunya sexual intercourse omunya me say wasem sentimental akwa baba be do so ama TH1 ayi bono ebe na omu ye omu duvet yanti mo hwe and are we creating a path be a TV stations there ebe susu che biana wow shenu ni aba dia cancel to 18 TV so aye close up of oba se said we so on se pieto se ye o se nightia ye de ensa ne nam ne ba so ni check no TV so we ente ya de pa a media gana obi aka na no atuma ye mpese e bekasa National Media Commission bekasa omu be din o command say aden are we giving some authority to certain platforms so we dey encomasem we dey do omu ya na ye besre o man say adia ye say abaye the ball ban ye the botechi say ye be equal right e wo man mu ne ye be sanity e wo man we dia enne obi ye na nya obi ye na enya so aye ka let's all speak against this act. Me I see a what NMC office no Tender TV for a raising question we say yeah the materials are very illustrated and MIT says I'm seeing you know drawings are illustrations are say be a position when you can was maybe when you can was you so images are almost there I will be suggesting say what the cartoons or is it there? They are telling us that if you want to do sex education, just talk about it.
No action, no practicals.
Nothing. But then share the echo. Intimidate me, I dare have me say. Many problem be our new program now. We know. So, the National Media Commission 42 say, see our program better say sex education better say time we no and you cannot be any doctors or ye so ye can dia say first say UTV and only a big platform is be despite group of companies or media scene other programs, other Tender TV, no man, we sex education, so almost cost no money because time no we don't know for adults. Sir, there's some small discussing because I've seen a few radio and TV stations talking about this thing. Because maybe I said, you can a despite group of community into me count matter. Yeah, no, dear, yeah, we say, as some say, yeah, no, what is going on is very bad. And I hear to Christopher, that classification, a board and also so say, you also program not the family classify. So they should speak against it. Even though they've not move our program one time, I could say 31st of May of the deal. They should come out and speak against it. Deal because all of these people are affiliated to a company need to know. No matter the company, no matter the institution, no matter your affiliation, my problem, once NMC, especially Mr. Anna forcing a YA media, Juma or not DC TV stations be pornography, in the end, planning woman, Omuna out, no Mukasa. You say, and you move a name no more, or man, or Makuma say, be blank, ye media, or Mobeka Massam.
Me abema we dey mess up kako comments ni bia bandodo na susu say enum say na wo ye program ni bia ye ma wo dia ye na ye no ya wonti na wo so wo kasa ditia ye wo mo no wo musa
me pacho obi o kasa enwo ya wa ya o ne de hene ye ka se mi nyai okay obi na I have a lawyer na nkodi ye be court because there is a ruling now a friend say Independence Broadcasters Association at the NMC court say when you consume regulated content in Tinami will case say can make us meet the NMC come if I don't say but me your member in Tinu say and paying for and you can succeed in a year no me maybe you be say any yes say again to a man I am ya. The other man I am young say, I don't know, okay. When you to other stations being friendly woman. Some make was a multimanka who being Casamia, because I don't think I see opinion near more the okay. And yes, I mean, for pay and your money. And I said, said they make me in my mind, you know, that time, no need if it's a 1 a.m. or the and Casa be said, but you're saying, say, oh, man, you need any more funny, any monument, Matias. Now, I then allow people no so hear the same thing. And answer where would you to me soon, and now the media house can see to the that is the more behind you, man. Say, if you want to describe, say, say, me make us say, Meko could be a dear, near Chimatu, Sebi, say, honorable see Ketiaba, or could be a dear, you already. General was key to balloon to on the empire call. Say, me move from a media. Be a DNA, yen see a bonny and cassa at the way yen, and at the young son say, UTV at Jenny I born no more day with media space no more. Or years I deal with for trends. I am wondering why Sebi your papa Father Dixon I born one more day what it in media will allow this kind of thing. You know, not one so condemn. The same platform we're condemning. Okay. Now you're moving now you're again assistant to Mudu. Because the foreign India and Mudu so Mudi Baluka. Let's say, say, and come once a man, you're the bandy, it's immediate, we can say, NMC person much less a year, the animal man will be behind it, and yet you beat me, I was education. ho de aboa viewers sɛ yɛn nso de ane yɛbɛkɔ dɛ mu de a ɛne mo me nka kyerɛ YouTube sɛ baabi a mo program ne fa no ɛhɔ toro ɛnyɛ ɛmmoa ɔman no.
Yo, me bema yes Sammy Rasta and I said TP clan any no etwetwen komo ye beda wase bebre e wo ebra nyama ye ne etwetwen komo nyame shapa bre biemu no se bibi ba na ye behia wadwentwa ye befo pa ye ne watwetwen komo
Bedase
yo yes ye dase na ebusiafo say na ye nua bema ye TP clan anache so wo ye general manager ede Emma Ice TV ye papa Bishop Daniel Obi ni TV station no wono so na no disema wo de atu edwa eno na odifo utie ne nsema na se enyimu ekoso ewo ye mayi emu se dwumadi ano wono no wono pode no odi omoya no 1 am at that time pode nke beka se nkwada de nko bia ada enso eno krampo no ye friend no atoto na no ewo ehu ma se ye TV station na wo mu yibie yi wo krampo etwi na nidi na tem ye tie ne nsem odi atu ya na se ene day sa TV station ya makwan ema wo mu susu ya na se no den na se o man no ye be papa kodru because ebinum ye na etitwi wo ma so na ebinum de ye ja wo mu a eye ne kwan so anu no a
sika meka se ye ne kwan so anu unso man na ye ben brew abai de bo techeri bo ba ma yi so ati ase a company like this price but you see UT ne wono krono ba no de ko se o mu hu de so ati ase say maybe that required was disgusting so ati ase omo de to mo bi se na me delete me ba me Facebook page no bi dia tag na me san friend bad man won say no so sans fun so so ati ase say cancer rituals wonya ne time e no de be ni sa be ni na mo ba ja pade so be bi mi o ba to e wo concert a me fo asa no ma so what's na me che we enchire ena me nim so for bo cancer rituals clerical so ati ase we na ye enoma edify a man of God what I say a man of Lucifer okay we mu ye enoma edify entem
so yeah damn you be who say we you are a man of God we you are a man of Lucifer
how can you call yourself a man of God baba be gina a whole national TV set so me obanto those are for the Japan say we na we ya oba no the libido ba we na we ya what I say na queen ni nyoma bi kenya no katapio be sorry when today any omondi lesbianism ni gays into once na the twitchne pepe ena ye era ye wo me kan e wo too much say edwama mo era ye wo
sorry no correct 2020 o kan ye
what you say you be go the man for 10 years e be bu adwene ntiase so those are the implications of labor it is your brand media and e bia TV presenters ni e ya mo so many a year mo betime yi educate
sure
that time go betime ma so go be aba be that short kanya me say mo hwam what you say and you put up to once na dey tell ba we die ye ma musical show a o do program we die ko for free wow we ko for free oye ni program advert him say about very interesting
e say dey no what did you with dey na say him say ya educative by you and sir
na we free mfa enye adwama mo promote asawele sa ni nkro no ba no what you say
see we crop na ma bi no ye
na we to ba ko aba ma be pija
ka ho mo say guarantee and say ma masturbate
we obi o kwa na bi no okọ night duty ona wote ho a ohwe aye spirit ebura ni mu a
na so pebne a
on fa
odo be ko obi
on member nso di mo nso di e nu anu won se na bi no nti we die empani bontia no mu nyifi o e na won se program se be ba empani no ebie program ehwe won se na de ejo mu to ba nu obo de je wura o ma hu oba no je ni we se no kwati mu se de na yi ne bom wọ́n sẹ́ na de wọ́n máa hu ẹ̀nà ẹ̀nà sẹ́ yẹ promote your mama dodo the lady mo Ghana the demon of prostitution yẹ promote dodo ni ẹ̀rọ ni sisi mu ni ẹ̀ wọ́n mẹ tẹ̀lé too much time wọ́n á sẹ́ ẹ̀tọ́ mama bẹ dọ́ọ̀sù mẹ kẹ́ ẹ̀ ẹ̀ sẹ́ na amabra ní ọ̀sẹ̀ mi wọ́n á sẹ́ dadi ẹ̀dùn mama de sẹ́ àdá yẹ bọ̀ ọ́nà mi sọ yẹ tẹ̀lé àná rẹ̀ sẹ́ bi nyàmé di fún ma àti ẹ̀ wẹ̀ 2021 de ba anya na da so what's that direction and chire maturity and jubia na dwumu down service ya no kwa so wo sofo ene papa cancer ncho no so ajo atomo se wo ye sofo me dia mi hunu sa ati ase osofo nchire no ma bi a emfra ye nkakasa bi a emfra bible na ka chire yin. So you call yourself a man of God, the Bible says a whole TV station. How many kakaka chako boundaries? Bible children to your papa we.
We because and yes, if you are years of Pampa as a married man. And you know, son so Bema Warifo, Ukokosu so bafu fru. Bible Rambo, my own, whom or Bano Cramponation, or now we are Crampo, I say, why a bonnet? What fun, what do you want, and is that? Now we know when you know who's so any moon, and no one so yeah.
Sika so very well, Obano Sumunanka, the baby Yaba. Moody be a Nissan, Bini, Numabia. Oh, yeah. See, we ran the bear for me, say, rather, dear. Oh, now it's a catchy dility because any trend that it and even react. Oh, and can be getting where you be a perfect. Now, wait, dear, you to impediment for the way you are, Mamma. Maybe a 12 on Sass, a 12 okra, or Richard Talk, as I don't lose interest, TV station view.
Because then I said, what can say, or much did that, and in your way, I'm going to trend.
Once I did more chances. I will bet you be a shop for that and go shop for my pretty. And no go pretty. She can be a bit flammo. I just say, any boy a bomb and come portray and my papa. Now, wait the film. Maybe you are more baby, and it's our cancer. But didn't we have be, but didn't we have be a man of God and a man of your caliber. A man of your caliber.
For a bed will be a tea.
Ah, maybe they make also and then you been quasi assembly. Ben quasi assembly. You might tell about Kenyans as some a future, didn't you miss about it? So, yeah, my should.
Now, I did for me, you say like, one hour bet you will be how or any and Poma Grins, but Pessimu. I say a chill will be how or any and Poma Grins.
What you mean, what you see? Because maybe some of you come and you not send the cow. What I say? Receive many go extraordinary. I don't know about them. Oh, Anna, you will quite actually. What just educative a oh, say all respect to you know blue. And yet be an Sabi will not put in a sort of book of fire.
Oh, the tongue for fossil vampire.
Oh, one more than South Tones of vampire. I should come. Hey, you want to TV up on some papa. What was I didn't see him? It is all many as so come ah, Bible not say you couldn't pass over ye. Oh, Danka, when you out your finger or bend the clitoris so. Oh, we'll find it now. Oh, a man, the numerous sorry. A Kenya no one, and yet educated. And I really didn't go out all host to go and the dress of God. Why you couldn't do the cinema now? Excellent. And a Mingan and Penny also pay. Maybe I can't grow, or Mingan and Penny only pay. O mi o be put and for me and baby be now 5 and 1. When you reach my car come. What I say? Winning better, winning better, winning better, winning better, winning better. And chat. Oh, and a respected station like this, then goes a moody. Oh, and a caramel show what's in your manage. And see a cat. Also, the moody a moment of Chelsea into your cat. And Jabeco should be a cat. And money.
Not that the only and Yadia said,
I'm trying.
Now, where would you for your uncle? Did you know about a year and the Sananka? Shall a name a year Kuma would act a year, my cafani budget and commoners who are trying line and shed that in no. It's a year, say, and then the betua a young commoners or young, so the United States, it be Bessia and stuff. Wait, dear, yeah, taxi driver will be out. I said, what could be a taxi driver? Wako via taxi na nkasa na numu no Any mobra near I say open someone with me and no home I say yes Paula Nipan e caste and I'm saying we are not into also no tell on your Christo near win to me and Chena so you Christo news on to me and Chena so we are not there and on a man be beat the one that's a whole baba be at the fin up when we are so person once and one almost wo MMF fan na no nti won so e ka say yes for you go na nipa wo bebe bia yes so ama tesa abranti ne nsa ho na moyi afro no wa hwe eye picture na wa hu no screen no eso na che say e de wo however no ne moyi na e do no wo ma ne so wo nyina di say wo mu ejai eye no asem we Ifo ni tine no kompa no ne fare by e fa eye say o emwa de ka at least e won echi wada betimi dia kana wo beko that's we mo de omo se da enya de say wo mo eko taxi driver na wo yes ano na ye no kwan so eno na wo no so kokko bokro no then na betimi aka de afa ho
unse Exodus chapter 20 verse number 1 edeba what you say o se emokro no da sa no still what you say and now king can praise the Bible see your bokro no kra ebata eniabo okay what you say
bokro no aduabo na epia wo
and now say you the Lord of flies what you say you edwumo nyina nyame a odu omoso okay and you omoso mo nso a okuta saa bisi
okay
what you say o konfo bi ehwe a odim dia make because of the prophet tina bibiom kakra
okay
you omoso mo a o kwahye na o kasa che konfo na o kire de koso a wo mo ye nyankwade efre saa bisi no okay the loss of flies no sad spirits no e dey be the beast so on sa na wi ade enti e dwuman emmewe wo sa no otwa na wu a ochina bi wo ba wi ase bia wo ma wi ade bi e na wo mo shrine bi wo water reading what na sa the Lord of flies no wo mo shrine na nkasa e wo to ase enti papa me de meka se kwan bia so it goes out there yeah kwan bia so
na so wo nyankwa na se ka we de nkanya sen bia
o konfo no ye sare no tie bi oni bia meka kwan bia so pa no o se wo mu sini san wo mu we
okay
and wo a spiritual thing so be we wo ni nsani bia wo tale ho
na kaya once na
so competing so ti ase e kire se ye nwia enu obi a ne wia na ade wo se ene nyame ansam ne mfa mmobra
sa
bibi ni obi wia atensi wa asore de eye sie asore de mu a ogbo ka 27 million o nyame fie o na nka mbe so kwa wu obi a oyi wiase ni osanso egu nsa esonso e de be ba ma oh it goes out there wo mo ya akromfo wo mo wi ade e da ho awuchi de wo be bia so atase awuchi e wo be bia enti nka so kwa na wo chiro na dipa do kwa ko wi ade ka already na no dua mom no wanu dua ne what you say and berebere emani hani what you say ento no so ba bi be fa obetime hu we bra kire se na wi ade but unso mo so ready you know kata
ni ayo pese ne nimbe show
eye ferie ni ngwase na egushia ni once na de chelo ejimi meka se now die onipa enhwe ne hushi
odifo ne se oretene ka ne krampo ba the krampo na
the man in the church ne se obewu se udu nse wi ade obi wo a onsuma obi wo de ebo keke be bodi ni so what you say unse sa demonology abayi sem ya kosomsem uwuram a very dicey and ade ba ko muntimi nyaw eye wo kredi and say sa spirit ye de ade ni ba yisim ye view spiritual access protection bi anu so ansa ye de ade ba once na de ne chiem hanchi the Bible ka say emokro no eniawu once na de ne chiem de obokro no bia de krabata eniabo Psalm 109 verse number 170 radiaka once enti okomwa a very dicey ma ade na me di ye no me di hwe me busua ma che me di bobra ebi a me di ye project go be no ba bia enti me ni tunka me nsam me ferifo nyam me tamfo nyam
we konka bi akai kwanya na dia onye ona
na nka o de ka ona kwa be ka die ebi akwa ni di no kure enti hwe kura no a enkyerɛ papa no so anyini wow ɛna wɔkyerɛ sɛ Bible sɛ yɛ pani a wɔanyini mpa na nyansa wɔ ne ti wate ase you are correct nyansa wɔ ne ti ma sɛ be oh it goes out there wɔn mo wi adeɛ wɔn mo dum wɔn mo tu mo sɛ yɛ bɔ korɔ no a
korɔ sɛ body light kura ne ewia ne eku bi no
oh o de o be wia o but ehunhun saso no ebi a obu ha we wia no o ye wi o be ka se koso abo korɔ kopem so du
wadome o
ne do koma ya no nananom mo de ani fie nya manhu ɛne wɔ boso no so ɔbɔ korɔ no o de a hwa konfo no mo ti kɔ boso no so na 45
bansere ne yi di aboni mu sɛ ye ebe ya obetimi
sɛ wia dia me ka wɔ si bi ma yira what you say e boso no ba o yira ye do you dey be count one day every day for the man one day for the master so what you be wia dia but one day go a e to wa ntimi new team once na dey chelo enti wo mo tie no mo hwɛ wo mo tom no mo nsu ade sɛ me ma ade dawa every go be wia no mobile phone what kind of me ko ye program aso ni wia no mobile phone me do fe me search me bag aso dem ma ye wia no mobile phone ti ma search am na me see wade onkonko ye me phone die amon go so frɛ me gusu ba o na me call bota me bo wade pai sika me te wa enipa no wia na de me mobile phone brɛ se ade bi tata me ade bi pamo me obi piam sɛ me mfa phone ne mra me wu ba ko what you say enti eye ade bi a emu orem oh eye nimguase eye ferie oh wo se Satan de oba obi wia no asɛ wu oku we asɛ papa no Satan sɛ wia no ya twato ewu once na de ne tie
odi for we dey dey enkomodie no asia enesa from ahyase ebebesi bia ya yedi aduro no afutu ben den na obetimi aka ede ache ahwefo
meka sɛ baabi a yɛdui program a yɛahostu nyinaa no famu aba makasa bebree almost 2 hours program no famu aba na akwankɔyɛ bibie wɔ hɔ sua nyansa what you say ebi a person no betwetwe nkɔmɔ betima frɛ number we no ne betwetwe nkɔmɔ
odi for we dey jan twɛn kakra ɛfa ɛma yɛ nua bɛma yɛ papa microphone ɛwɔ ahoma no so na yɛ no hello bra Mike
yes madam
me mo akwa baba too much GHSO
bishop so
bibi abɔ deɛ
nyame ado de ti wɔ mu di na you just never me
we dey nya ntie bi ɛsɛ wa ba kasa dia for 2024 abato no ɛho a wo twem ana kyerɛ enya de sɛ mo de beko Supreme Court na emo ɛbɛyɛ police station one na mo bedina one makeka mo ade ade sɛ according to say ensem no eba ye na kyerɛ ɛbɛyɛ fireworks enko a no kro ben ɛna ewo mu na sɛn na wo kan no esi ɛfa ye na etiefo entie o
the person is there. Okay. Yes, about to a call 2 years, 2020 about 2 years. Okay. You see, yeah. So that's it. And I mean, who here is 7 years. There will be a that's how they go police station. And that's how they call court. So the court, you know, ever she shall see me. I could say, now they will do the armor. You will do for 40 years. When they enter that, the I'm my phone and they quite you. And you know, Yamia to set in Pomudia 2024. No, about 4 no, you better be a name a year. We are free me. We are making sure that the beer because of organization. Who said that the BC near the one to call and court and you be any amount.
Now, to see your party say your court no and I judge one or more good court one woman can of crana. I
didn't know no more. What you say? I didn't know no more. the court where a call area. Why will it here? Sir, court where you for the court. I want to be a one canoe. Anna, a woman. So that's here. If you ain't now in the service of the church, so you're not in the service of the people that's a walk. That's forward here. Some of us forward here. So that's here. Now, my before the no see me before. Now, all the doctors at the Libya. They say, if you put them and pass at the enemy fire, and I said, put them on the was another one.
Sapepepe.
Saturday, a chair. If you say, then what the court would go, or not to be sure. That's the court on the side of me, one. I somewhere can hear fine. And then 2020 about 20 Ghana, I go for the Ghana to see ya. Okay, I saw you can hear.
Now, NDC for the new one. Say, you're my lawyer for ever Cassaye.
Now, some brothers, me only have some to me, if you mean that. Me say mean say man say would come out to me so said would come out to me so and so me man no say I say no come out to me so I had the quick and I say the quick but what my you me one I better you say I some out to me so me about some me what to say Saturday this year it don't to the fear that will be some out to so it you know so when you one I better you would oh the one who won one, yeah, who would dream. So, and to you tell you, I'm not having the AC.
That was last time there. Said they are most modern, ever peer more, our court, and people are the peer more, our quarter. You can't add the Emma, that means that time I caught no so NBC from a quarter now. Because some of say court now on the choir any MPP court. They say last time there now MPP so every choir now in Shishomu court to area yeah Afrankana na say Nkungene na yeah papa money maha that time na and so court me and this court na pe say me say aban bia baba so and the court and the eya wo man so
that time no na eya Ghana court na eya Ghana court they make what they say now you Ghana court in the sense that time as a result at the time they can make a son of the ball no you to turn on me who you cry and now eya Ghana court go Ghana court no say go Ghana court you shall some the move I'm a you did in the man you for so the man now you Ghana court then I have a political party a court
now once to a dream who said basa yebetimi esi e wo 2024 abato nu emu anase se be mabu no adwen ya wo montanta no ma bebetimi akoso ana wu se wasama wo kan no ebetimi akreti so much chaos e wo man yi emu
oh that be as some kind
Samu me pacho obegina ye kakra e dia na ye line mu e break my hello yeah Mr. Mike baby o wa no wetin position mu eye o line mu break kakra oh abusuafo said line no emu ebreki ha na ye de Mr. Michael Afrani ebesi line no mu ebreki wa hwe na adwen e de afon said wakasa rodi kan no waka ensem bebe na just ohu ne say said court so no that time wo mu de ne na ye Ghana court na emu say de ya ekopie mu e court na ye kufa do court na minim say ye to memu anu ma kufa do si court na ye hu bie na chese ho no mu de call ye dia and the yentimi enje no no so na no this time awodi etu eja efa ensem no no na de ya prophet ye no ebesi a no na anti prophet say na wo de won sembisa etu ja na wo fana wo say etu ja no to asoma etiefo
Mr. Utili Papa Afrani Ekai, but church the nation be na if say a assume say Okaya, no one can say Patricia can contribute time to you. Timesro. Media Prophet Bernard Esia, Manda Holy Ghost and Fire Prayer Ministry. Media, the program measure person to make them come on, if our how be and money. Every time I frame 0249 631 876 0249 631 876. Macra, Panato.
Yo, now I was here for it's not saying Kofo Bebre, one comment by a star blog, a year of London, a Biomuso entry Bernard, and the true GH. And a Biomuso no a ba confiam and a peddler, me and Shamo Pa a year say, modern comment no by a Muslim Sana Modi to Jan. Yami and Shamo said that Mokaino, SIH, a Brenny Abribiano, Sumo de Madrin Channel, ever to a day MIM. Now I was here for aha and a bread, ever my quine my DSC, Mama and someone a also from a year and a stopopo as so a buyer chanson, someone to a jam, a day, a bar, a baby more, yam, Berman, I am Papa, my friend, and somebody to a jar as some, the a beer so the same programs are young with TV stations as well, and say, and fata, no so a my TP clan, today or no sooner this to a jar, near a year, a brandy, and I am Papa, who we are. Taxia no so say ama mobro ya na se BC gu ne nsamwa wonya ne hu eye twabre no ma ye hu se ewiase aye wo no eno ma bia no ensi kwa wa obi na to ne bibi ensi kwa de bekoso bia no na che se ewo aseche ewo ma wo mo etechi na ebe ebehia se ebe ma ye paibo adoso aye sanse nyakopon kwa ne betimi agye ye edi every nhihede ana se gineto wo mu etu ede ebe ye hu so subscribe your channel yi edi anamese wo beye na wamia adoma no so say you be nya upload video bia no wo so wetimi notification no e phone laptop and as wo tablet so follow ya all social media platforms so ya IG page and your Twitter page so @tumagh_ and on Facebook and so @tumagh. na abuja for me di esie no me di ede ekwesi kapa me na ne de me di ho chia me ne prophet Bernard Esiam na ye twen enkomo no na ye di esie no dasene ye besan edi ehia edi makram.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.